In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get image URL from Pinterest desktop. First, open your desktop web browser and go to Pinterest. If you have an account, it helps to be signed in so you can access your home feed and any boards you've saved. Once the home page loads, you'll see a grid of pins based on your interests. This is your starting point. From here, open the pin you want or navigate to the board that contains it. You can do this by clicking into your profile or any board visible on your screen. If you're not sure where the image lives, use the search bar at the top. Type a keyword or phrase that describes the image you're looking for. Pinterest will show results across pins, boards, and profiles, and you can refine as needed. When you spot the right pin in the results or within a board, select it. Click the pin to open it on its own page. You should now see a larger version of the image along with details like the title, description, and buttons on the right side. Make sure you're viewing the individual pin page and not just the board grid. The individual view is where you'll find the share options you need. Next, look for the share icon. On desktop, it typically appears as a curved arrow near the Save button or within the set of icons on the right panel. Click that share icon to open a small menu. This menu gives you quick options to send or share the pin. In that share menu, click Copy Link. Pinterest will copy the pin's URL directly to your clipboard. You'll usually see a brief confirmation message indicating the link has been copied. Now you can paste the URL wherever you need it, into a document, a message, an email, or a browser tab. On most keyboards, use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste. A quick tip for clarity: the link you just copied is the official pin URL, which is the best and most reliable way to share that image on Pinterest. It points to the pins page, so anyone you share it with can view the image along with its context and source. If you don't immediately see the share icon, make sure your browser window isn't too narrow, refresh the page, and confirm you're on the individual pin page. That's all there is to it. Go to Pinterest, find your pin, open it, click the share icon, and choose Copy Link. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly grab a Pinterest image URL on desktop.